Keep on. To continue doing something. The rain kept on all night. He keeps on running despite the rain. Look out. To be careful or watchful. Look out, there's a car coming. Look out, there is a banana peel on the street. Pass out. To lose consciousness or faint. She passed out from the heat. If you don't sit down, you might pass out. Pass out. To distribute something. Pass out the exam papers to the students. The teacher passed out the test booklets. Pass away. To die. My grandfather passed away last year. His pet dog passed away yesterday. Blow up. To explode or get very angry. My dad blew up at me when he saw the bill. The balloon blew up in my face. Bring back. To return something. He brought back the book to the library. Bring back the pen you borrowed yesterday. Bring up. To mention a topic or raise a child. She brought up her children alone. He brought up the issue during the meeting. Break down. To stop functioning or get very upset. He broke down in tears. My car broke down yesterday. Come over. To visit someone's place. He came over to my house for lunch. Why don't you come over for dinner tonight? Carry on. To continue doing something. Carry on with your work until it's finished. Despite the rain, they carried on with the game. Cut off. To stop someone from speaking. Please don't cut me off while I am talking. Cut off. To stop the supply of something. The water supply has been cut off. Cut off. To end a relationship. She cut off all ties with her old friends. Cut off. To block. A fallen tree cut off the road to the town. Drop out. To quit a class, school, etc. He dropped out of college. Due to health issues, he dropped out of school. Eat out. To eat at a restaurant. Let's eat out at that new restaurant. Let's eat out tonight. I am too tired to cook. Run into. To meet someone unexpectedly. Yesterday, I ran into my old friend at the store. Sarah ran into her teacher at the park. Take after. To resemble a family member. Tim takes after his dad. They both love sweets. Your son doesn't take after you in any way. Fall apart. To break into pieces or to disintegrate. The old house fell apart during the storm. The old chair fell apart when I sat on it. Set aside. To reserve or save something. I will set aside some money for our vacation. Set aside some time for studying every day. Run over. To hit someone or something with a vehicle. He was run over and killed by a bus. The cat got run over by the lorry.